If you've ever struggled to keep track of your hours or wanted a better way to review your work time, this tutorial is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to review your timesheets in ClickUp, so by the end of this video, you'll know how to find, understand, and manage your timesheet data with total confidence. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to head to your ClickUp workspace. If you're already familiar with where to find your projects and tasks, this will feel pretty familiar. Just open ClickUp as you normally do, either in your browser or through the desktop app. If you're brand new, your workspace is basically your dashboard. It's where everything in ClickUp starts and is organized, so make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces for different teams or projects. Now, once you're in your workspace, look for the option labeled More. You'll usually find this in the sidebar. Sometimes it's tucked away under a little arrow or an expandable menu, so take a second to scan around if you don't see it right away. Don't worry if it takes a couple clicks to find. ClickUp wants to keep things streamlined, so some features like timesheets are hidden under More to avoid cluttering your workspace. Go ahead and click More. You should see a drop-down list or a new panel with several advanced options. What we're looking for here is timesheets. Once you spot it, click on Timesheets, and this is where the real magic happens. This section gives you a bird's-eye view of your tracked work hours. Inside Timesheets, ClickUp organizes things into a few helpful tabs. The first is My Timesheets, which shows just your own track time. This is perfect if you're an individual contributor or just want to check your own progress. Maybe you're curious if your work hours match up with your goals, or you just want to double-check before payroll. Take a few moments to review the entries here. You'll see tasks, dates, hours, and maybe even notes you or your teammates have added. If you spot any discrepancies or if you forgot to log something, this is your opportunity to make any edits or updates. It's worth spending a minute here because solid timesheets can save a lot of headaches down the line. The next tab is All Timesheets, which is a game changer if you're a manager, team lead, or just curious about project-wide trends. Here you can see the track time for everyone in your workspace. This bird's-eye view can help you spot overtime, underreported hours, or simply get a sense of which projects needed the most attention. If you're comparing workloads or planning future deadlines, this panel is your best friend, much like checking a team scoreboard before making your next move. Lastly, there's the Approval panel. This one's especially useful in teams where timesheets need to be reviewed or signed off before they're finalized. If you're an approver, this is where you'll see submissions pending your review. Take a careful look at each entry, maybe give notes or send back any that need correction. You can approve them with a single click and everything's neat and organized. Think of it like the final check before the timesheets fly off to payroll. And really, that's it. Reviewing your timesheets in ClickUp is straightforward once you know where to find each option. If you ever get stuck or don't see what you're expecting, double-check your permissions or drop a question in the comments. Sometimes features are tucked away based on your team's settings or your user role. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have questions or want a deeper dive into any part of ClickUp, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your time tracking in ClickUp.